Hey there, today we are talking about skincare for men. Good skincare is important for everyone. It keeps your skin healthy and helps you look your best. Men need skincare too. Some men think skincare is not important. They think it is not masculine. This is not true. Taking care of your skin is important for your health. Healthy skin makes you feel confident. When you feel confident, you look confident. Start taking care of your skin today. You will see and feel the difference. A daily skincare routine is easy. You can do it in a few minutes. Here's what you need to do. First, wash your face twice a day. Use warm water and a gentle cleanser. Second, exfoliate twice a week. This removes dead skin cells. It helps your other products work better. Third, use a moisturizer every day. This keeps your skin hydrated. Lastly, wear sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Here are some extra tips for great skin. Drink plenty of water. This keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out. Eat a healthy diet. Fruits and vegetables are good for your skin. Get enough sleep. Sleep gives your skin time to repair itself. Here are some product recommendations from Greater Mood and Wellness. Cleanser. Greater Mood's Kale Face Cleanser. Exfoliator. Greater Mood's Mint. Exfoliating Facial Polish. Moisturizer. Greater Mood Men's Face Moisturizer. A lot of men make skincare mistakes. Here are some common ones. Using harsh soaps, these can dry out your skin. Use a gentle cleanser instead, not wearing sunscreen. This can lead to sun damage. Picking at your skin. This can cause breakouts, not moisturizing. This can make your skin dry and flaky. You can have healthy and clear skin. Follow these tips. You will see a difference. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips.